I feel like I need a seatbelt.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we are here at Wild Bill's Airboat Tours in Inverness, Florida. We're going to go out on the swamp, we're going to find some gators, and it's going to be a fun and exciting time. So let's go along and check it out. Let's go!
Hey guys! Alright, so today we are coming at you with a very exciting video today. Hopefully we'll see some big gators.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Dangerous! Jump, 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 jump!
Okay, so we are going to run through the gift shop on the way out. I think I do want to get a magnet. That's not a gator. That's a bird. So I do want to get a magnet.
Got gators in the trees.
So I want to grab a magnet and then maybe a hat or t-shirt. We'll see. But they do have a couple of gators here who are a part of the tour. They're not out in the swamp in the wilds.
We're going to go see Bubba.
Yes, Bubba apparently is a
60-year-old alligator.
Yes, and rumor has it Bubba is a big boy. So now we were here.
Big boy Bubba.
Big boy Bubba. So a few years ago, before we had the YouTube channel, we did come here and we were able to hold baby gators. So maybe we'll be able to do that again. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Fingers crossed. And we'll let you guys know how it goes. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, guys. So here's where you check in. So you do have to make reservations. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to make reservations. You can do that online. You buy your tickets online. Here's where you check in. Here are the restrooms and the gift shop and the check-in station. And then you sign in.
You do not technically have to make reservations. The first time we came, we did not have reservations. It's just if you
right.
want to be sure to get on a boat when you're here, I
Yes.
recommend you make reservations.
That's a great point. So yeah, so we would encourage reservations. That way you know you have a spot, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, cool. And then, yes, we'll take you guys through the gift shop a little bit later.
It's $35 per person plus tax and everything. Comes about $42.50, $42,
change.
yeah, $43, something like that.
Okay, cool.
Oh, they also have a private option if you have a group of 5 or more, and that comes to $60 or so per person.
Oh. Okay, so well, we do have some family with us today, but we probably won't see them on the channel, but didn't know there was a private option.
Yeah, but when we first booked this, there was only going to be 4 of us, so we didn't have enough to justify the private tour.
Yeah. Okay. There's our first baby alligator. Hanging out, doing gator things. I think he's cute. But remember, never feed the alligators. If gators get too familiar with humans, they actually have to destroy them because it's not safe for the gators or for the people, right? Alright, so what did we learn today?
Don't feed the gators.
And then what happens if you feed the gators?
You get eaten.
You get eaten. Alright guys, so as far as wayfinding, you park down the very end. This is the building where you check in. Those are where the baby gators are right there. As we turn to the left, get out of the way please honey, you're in the shot. There is a little shelter here. You can have a picnic here if you want to bring your own lunch. They don't have any like food or anything other than like I think like some, was it like some alligator jerky?
Yeah, they got some beef jerky, a couple different animals of jerky.
Jerkies.
Yeah.
Different types. And then you're gonna head down this path all the way, and that's where you will get onto the boat. But we can't make it too far without checking out our friend Bubba. So let's see if we can find Bubba in his enclosure. Alright, and here we are at Bubba's enclosure. Let's see if we can see him.
He's a big boy.
Oh yes. There he is. Oh, there he is right there. I'm having a hard time focusing on him because of the fence.
See little frogs in here too?
Oh yeah. Hey Bubba. Hello. There he is, and there's Bubba. He's doing a great job of being a log. And you wouldn't know. I mean, other than that we know it's a gator, you see his eyeball, but he's a big guy.
Yeah. Let him go on back there.
How long is he? How big do you think he is?
Oh, I don't know. I know they said he was like 60 years old. They gave some stats on him in the gift shop, but I forgot.
I mean, I would say he's probably, what, like 7 feet, you think? I mean, he's definitely taller than you are.
He may be a 10-foot gator.
I think he's 10-foot gator?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And then it looks like he does have a little...
Oh, he's moving. His eyes is he's moving back a little bit.
Okay.
He's sunk into the water.
Yeah.
His eyes are...
Hasn't blinked yet though. There are some frogs in this pond, so you can see his little froggy friends. I don't know if we can get him on the camera, but he has little froggy friends right there.
I guess he's moving.
Oh, he's moving now. Okay. Alright, guy. I'll leave you alone. Bye.
Go away. No one's home.
And obviously here in Florida, anytime you're on the water, we just assume that there are manatees. So we always take great care to be on the lookout for those and to be very careful with them, right?
Yeah. And I got some tips here. What can boaters do? You wear polarized glasses so you can see them.
Yep.
You know the zones, where they are. You use the marked channels, post a lookout, save a life.
Yep. Very important that we protect our wildlife here in Florida.
Wakupus.
Wakupus?
Yeah, so remember when you're out on the water, Wakupus.
Okay, that's fine. Alright, Lewis went back to the truck to go grab some bug spray. We're going to head down the embankment here, head down the, it's not an embankment, what do you call this? Dock? A platform. A runway. Alright, and at the end of the boardwalk here, there are two boats, one on the left, one on the right. I'm not sure which one we will be in yet. We definitely can see some of the swamp out there. So maybe we'll be able to see more things than just alligators. Maybe we'll see some some river otters, maybe some manatees. Who knows? It's going to be fun. All right, you ready?
Let's go. Let's do this. Find them gators.
Find the gators. What are we doing?
We're on Airboat. We're going to go find some gators.
Okay. What else do you think we're going to see? Birds, maybe?
I don't know.
River otters?
Probably some birds. That's what I was wondering. Maybe river otters. Probably not.
Everybody good? Everybody wanting?
Alright, honey, what'd you think?
Yeah, well, it's always fun riding the airboats. Too bad we didn't see any gators, so just wasn't warm enough.
No.
We saw one at the dock before we left, so there was
We
that.
did, but I don't think I got it on the camera though.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, we saw Bubba.
Yeah, and last time we were here we saw a bunch. So it just kind of depends on the weather.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, let's go check out the gift shop and maybe we can hold a baby gator. We'll see. Alright, now comes my favorite part, the gift shop. Let's see what is on sale. This is pretty funny. Welcome. Send more tourists. Last ones were delicious. Oh, great. Great.
That's your tour guide.
Yeah, tour guide. Alright, and here are some of the t-shirts that they have for sale here. I survived the ride. That's pretty funny. And there are other prices there too. Alright, and then here is their Wild Bill's Airboat hat, their trucker hat styles. They're really cute. And that one is $35.99. I decided on the bright pink shirt that said, I survived the ride. That's the one that I got, but in a bright pink. And I'm also going to get some alligator gummies for $6. But there's plenty of other things to pick from. Got some stickers. You have a back scratcher, alligator back scratcher, that's $8.99. And some jewelry. And then here we go, we have some stuffies here that are $22.99. And the albino alligator too, also $21.99. Alright, for my shirt and my gator gummies, it came out to $29.66.
Alright guys, so last time we were here, they allowed you to pick up and handle these small alligators over here and get a nice little photo op. But right now, due to COVID restrictions, they're not currently doing that. So They did say they expect to open it up fairly soon once the mask mandates are fully lifted. So if you come back in a couple weeks, couple months, probably be able to do that. It's a lot of fun.
And if I can find some of those pictures of us holding the gators, I'll put them in here.
Sounds good.
Okay, cool.
Alright guys, so here's your pro tips for Wild Bill's Airboat Tours. I'd say number one is choose a nice sunny day to come. Today was a little bit overcast, and unfortunately we didn't get to see very many gators because of that. We did come once before when it was more sunny out, and the gators like the warm weather, they like to sun themselves on the banks. So if you choose a warm day, you're going to see more gators. Number two is don't feed the gators. That's not good for the gators, it's not good for people. It's illegal here in the state of Florida, and if you feed the gators, it's going to make them more accustomed to people thinking that they're going to get food, and it's going to put them in danger as well as us. So never feed the gators. And number three is be sure to bring your bug spray. This is a swamp, so we got our little jug of bug spray here. Keeps all the little gnats and mosquitoes off of us, and make sure that we can enjoy our time out on the water. So those are your pro tips for Wild Bill's Airboat Tours, and we'll see you next weekend.
And I'm his dad.
This is Professional Dad.
On a professional Father's Day weekend.
Father's Day.
He's a good man.
Boat tours in Florida. I don't know what city we're in.
Hey guys, so we are, like Lewis said, we are at the Wild Bill's Airboat Tour. Thanks, you.